Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create realistic or real images for your content, for your YouTube videos, for your blog article or for your post in just a few clicks. So get started. Before starting the video, I request you to please subscribe to our channel and make sure to hit the bell icon so that you don't and never miss any kind of updates from our side. So let's get into it. So today we are going to create images, realistic images using Leonardo AI. Okay. So this is the website on the first page. You just need to click on this website. You just make sure that you have you have already have an account on this website. Okay. So I will go with the get started for creating pictures here. So it's just loading. After opening the website, you will get this kind of interface. On the left side, you will get this home library AI tools, this option, and you can on the middle of the page you can see the community creation. The users have created a lot of different kind of images or the videos, photos, logos, each and everything will be seen over this page. Okay, you can see this looks very real. So we just want to create the AI images. So I will go with this one, image generation tool. So I will sign up using my Google account. You can also sign up with the Microsoft or your Apple account. Okay, so I'll just select my account here and I will just hit the continue button here. After the account creation, I will get this kind of interface. I will need to write my own prompt for creating a realistic image of my type of my choice. So I will just click on this I agree, and let's go with the creation of the some images. Okay, so I will go with no thanks. I will here write a prompt like red line with a Range Rover in the background. So I have written this prompt and now I will write it in 4K realistic quality. Okay, I will just click on this generate button. As you can see that we have 150 credits, but now 104 credits are now remaining. You can create a limited number of images through this tool. Okay, you can also have the membership of this website. So we have write a line with the Range Rover. As you can see that this is the best image that we have got. We have got multiple image and this looks one of the best images. So you can see that it's the original version and you can simply download this, or you if you think the image is not in HD quality, you can also click on this upscale button to increase its visual, or you can say increase its quality. After creation of the image, you can just simply click on this download image button to download your relative image. I hope this video has helped you to create some realistic images through Leonardo AI. If you enjoy the video, please make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the like button. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.